Welcome to 5 Minute Friday, everybody, where we share our best tips and tricks to help you get just a little bit better every week. Eddie, what you got for us this week, man?
This week, we're going to talk about the concept of ease.
Okay. What you mean?
Okay, so the concept is something I, of course, heard because I come up with nothing on my own. There's no, it's 90s movie references and anything that I might have heard on podcasts last week.
No original thought here whatsoever.
There's zero original thoughts that actually go through my brain.
We're parrots.
Pretty much.
My brain's fried. I almost said parakeets.
Let me parrot something. Let me parrot something that I thought was kind of cool. Listen to this guy. He's a Ivy League professor. He's a writer as well for I believe it's New York Times. Okay. And he was talking about like his students. Yeah. So it's kind of like what are the earmarks of people that come into an Ivy League school? What are the earmarks that he sees on the regular when they come in? Like, because I mean, you pretty much figure that these people that are coming through an Ivy League school are generally
pretty smart.
That's
you
right.
know, they have their moments.
And the podcast was interesting and rambled a different direction. This is what I picked out though. This concept of ease, which is kind of abstract and weird. So let me unpack that a little bit. But ease being like, I got this.
Okay.
Right? Ease being when I'm in the room, there's not a situation that's hitting me that I feel like is going to overrun me or overwhelm me.
So it's like a confidence.
It's
almost,
a confidence, right? But it's kind of like this almost, I don't know, X Factor's like way overbaked, and I'm going to have to put $1 in the jar.
You are going to need to put $1 in the jar.
For sure. I don't know quite how to describe that, but it is just a general confidence that you just own. You just have, like, you almost like you were just bred into that. Like you just believe, I mean, we will work it out. Like things aren't a big deal to you. And that's not that you've got a, whatever attitude either. Yeah. It's we'll overcome it. So because of that, you have the capacity to get into situations that are much bigger than you and work them out because you're just, in your head, working a problem. Yeah. So you're not getting hung up in the little stuff that's making you stress, fret, and clouding your judgment. Yeah. And keeping you from making solid decisions. So
those are the best project managers. Those are the best like owners, like anybody. Like it's that person that can walk into a room and just have a confidence. Like, we're gonna get it. Yeah. It's okay. We're going to get it. We are gonna figure it out. And like Sam Perosa, shout out to Sam. He was always really good at that. Yeah. Just being confident and being like, I trust my people. I trust the process. We're going to figure this out.
I feel like I've heard this in golf, like somebody being, I love this, unflappable.
Unflappable.
Yeah, like you're not, like you don't get your feathers ruffled easily. Yeah. And I think that general sense of ease kind of oozes out of you and falls onto the people around you. It does. And sets them at ease too. So now everybody's operating not out of like this frantic, oh my gosh, what do we do? We're going to die. It's more of a, all right, this guy's just thinking through it. Maybe I'll just think through it too. And while you're doing that, you're leading. So this sense of ease that you have is actually leading other people to calmly attack the problem. Right. So
this is a hard thing to do.
You can't just flick a switch and make it happen.
This is a reminder, all right? This is something that you and I have to practice. Like you're working projects right now.
Calm down.
We have to tell ourselves this consistently.
Absolutely.
Be the calming force. Be the calming presence in the room. You have to be that person. Like that person is going to get the next job for sure. So if you want to grow in your career, it's great advice. I like this. Maybe we could put that in the show notes too. The podcast that you listened to that had this as kind of like some extracurriculars.
Ooh, yeah, I got to think about that one.
Well, brother, that was a good, healthy reminder. Glad you brought that one up. I think I needed that one too. So, guys, go build something awesome.